Okay, we've let that dry. We're going to take a 1/4-inch drill and drill a hole for our neck, or for our string. Good, that's where we want to go, right about back from the middle a little bit. So we're going to open it up some. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. There we go, we got that set. The other thing we want to do is we want to round these off here for our head, for the neck, and then we'll be back for the next video. Thanks for watching.